How to share your live location with someone on Instagram. So here is a clear and simple tutorial on how to do so. First of all, launch the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android and just make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Then tap on the messages icon in the bottom tab and select the person you want to share your live location with. Once you do so, all you have to do is simply tap on the plus button available at the bottom right corner of your screen, then tap on the location. Now Instagram will show options like share location or continue. Simply tap on the continue and you can simply share your location. Pick how long you want to share your live location, and the person can now see your real-time movement on the map until the timer ends. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.